Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and we are here at CES 2026 and I am so excited to show you their new products. They have several that we're going to check out today and we're going to do kind of a deep dive and go into all of their specs, all of their features, the new things that are launching this year. And of course, we're going to kind of go through who is this for? Like which one of these dash cams might be best for you, because they have things that are great for Uber drivers, things that are great for people with families, things that are great for people that drive large SUVs, and even dash cams that are specifically designed for vloggers. So no matter who you are, they have a dash cam for you, and we're going to help you find one and also check out all of those new technologies. So come with me while we check out their booth and we do a deep dive of these incredible products. Let's go. Before we get into specific products, I want to take a minute to talk about the experience at the Redtiger Dash Cam booth here at CES, because it honestly stood out right away. The booth itself is beautifully designed. Bold, bright red branding, of course, huge screens, and really sleek visuals that instantly pulled people in. The big displays were showing the dash cam's abilities in action, which made it super easy to understand what the products can actually do in real time. Plus, their full product lineup was on display, and everything was clearly labeled, and visitors could see just how sharp and responsive the cameras are by seeing themselves in them. The crowd around the booth was nonstop, and you could feel how impressed and excited people were, especially when hearing about their new battery that's launching soon. More about that in just a moment. On top of all that, the Redtiger team was incredibly friendly and welcoming, and they even hooked us up with some really cool Redtiger swag. Overall, it was an awesome booth and a great CES experience. Okay, so you guys know it's CES, so I have to hook you up first with the latest and greatest. This is going to actually be on the market in March 2026. So you can't get it yet, but it's coming soon, and I'm telling you, you are gonna want to check it out. So this integrates a 4G box and battery without requiring parking monitoring cables. So how cool is that? This is going to support remote parking monitoring when paired with your dash cam. What that means is we're going to have a dual power operation. It powers the dash cam and it charges the battery box when the car is on. So it can power the dash cam from the battery box when the car is off. So you are able to have remote detection even when your car is parked, which is really, really incredible. Always, always, always keep your car safe and know what is going on. Automatic ignition detection, so it's going to sync your dash cam status with the car's stop and start state. And it even supports external parking monitoring cable, detects ignition on-off status via the ACC, and it syncs with the dash cam again. Battery issues are not going to affect the cigarette lighter power supply. And it has 4G connectivity, so it communicates with the dash cam and uploads and downloads data to the cloud. This is a game changer, and I guarantee you, whether maybe you're a little bit don't know about the neighborhood you live in, or you're parking in a parking garage, or you're just running around to the grocery store, this is going to have eyes on your vehicle at all time. That's really, really cool battery technology. So, of course, we've talked to you about that incredible battery, but I want to talk about the F17 Plus. This is one of the newest products on the market, and it's one that you can actually pick up right now. It's been on Amazon since October, so still relatively new, but absolutely incredible. This is perfect for rideshare drivers, families, and people who have larger SUVs. You can use this in a sedan or an SUV, and it is a really, really incredible system. It has an all-around quad view. What does that mean? We've got front cabin, rear cabin, and rear, and you're going to get an incredible picture. Not only are you going to be able to see everything in front of you, behind you, and inside and outside of your car, but you're going to do it in style. I'm talking 1080p and 30 frames per second. Really, really incredible. Plus, you got low light vision, both your front camera and your cabin cameras. So again, perfect if you're a parent and you need to see what's going on, and perfect if you are a rideshare driver and you're worried about what's going down. It also has a parking monitor, so time-lapse recording, G trigger recording, and low voltage protection to make sure it's going to automatically stop recording when the voltage drops below a set value. last but certainly not least, we have a smooth touch screen experience. It has a 3-inch screen, and it's got basic functions that are accessible via the touch screen. It supports split screen view for real-time preview and playback of not 1, not 2, not 3, but all 4 cameras. Hello there. So this is the F17 Elite. This launched last spring, and again, this is a really fun camera, and it's especially great for vloggers. Of course, you can use this if you are an Uber driver or just a family in general, but one thing that I love about it is that it's really good for being able to see what's going on in your car. So if you want to film that vlog, you want to film that TikTok, you want to film that YouTube video, it's a really great way to do it. It is the first full color in-car nighttime camera. So you've got full night color in cabin vision. So even if you're filming at night, you're going to be able to have that beautiful color picture and film your videos if you want, and also just be able to see what is going on. It also has 3-channel dash cam for clear and comprehensive picture recording. It's got a front camera that's 4K with a Sony image sensor. Cabin camera is 1080p. Rear camera is also got that Sony image sensor, and it supports dual HDR recording. Again, making it great for vloggers and content creators. It also has ultra-fast transmission speed, so you're going to be able to see everything on your camera really quickly, and it has a smooth touchscreen experience. And with that front camera in particular, you're going to have a low light parking guard. So what does this mean? That means that it has an innovative parking monitoring that restores true seeing colors throughout the intelligent image algorithms. So even if it's dark, the camera is going to be in color and light. So it delivers a clear footage even in extremely low light conditions. So you're always going to be able to see exactly what is going on. So this little beauty right here is the F77. It is a 2-channel DVR with Starvis IMX678 4K HDR front cameras with HDR. So it's a beautiful crisp scene, and it also has those rear cameras, of course, that look great with HDR. It has a big 4-inch screen, so even bigger than the last one that we showed you, and a gorgeous LCD display, and of course that is a touch screen, making it very easy for you to see what's going on and adjust your angles. It does have a Wi-Fi app video control, so it makes it, again, very easy to pull up and see what's going on. And it has GPS with voice recording and controls. That's absolutely incredible. And looped video recording, night vision, and parking mode. Plus, you're going to get 128 gigabytes of internal storage. Really cool stuff. So I saved what is my favorite for last. I really love how cool this looks. Check this out. We've got 4 different cameras going, and you can see so much going around. It's got 4-channel panoramic concept. It supports high-end quad-channel resolution recording, of course, 30 frames per second, 2K, 180, and 2K. So really great resolution and beautiful screen, as you can see here. Both the left and the right channels support independent 90-degree rotation. You can see that. That's really cool. This enables full angle monitoring around the vehicle. So whatever you need at the time, you're going to be able to get. It's equipped with dual Sony sensors and, of course, all of those color sensors. It's got high-definition digital signal output. Most other dash cams on the market use an analog signal, so this is going to give us superior image quality compared to those other signals. That's one of the things that makes Redtiger so much better than the rest. We are also going to have both the left and the right channels having those color sensors to ensure color accuracy during the daytime, and then even enhanced color at night, so your performance is even greater. It supports front and rear HDR, and it even has anti-glare CPL. Again, this is a really beautiful dash cam, and it supports so much. I love the colors, I love the design, and I love that I'm able to see 4 channels all at the same time, and not only see them, but they're not fixed, so I can angle and get an even better view. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me at the Redtiger booth at CES 2026. We've had such a great time. We've learned so much about their incredible product line, all of the new things that they are coming out with this year, and hopefully helped you make some decisions on what is the best dash cam for you. So whether you're an Uber driver, a vlogger, or just a soccer mom, there is definitely going to be a dash cam out there, and Redtiger is going to hook you up, keep you safe, and help you to just get out and be able to adventure more often and more confidently. I am so obsessed with this brand. It's what I personally use and have used for years, and I highly suggest that you check them out. I'm gonna drop all of their links and all of their information in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out and get to shopping. Adios, amigos.